Okay, so this is my website, and it's about the Holocaust. And so I thought it was like kind of clever of me because like this is the entrance to Auschwitz, and I thought it was clever like you're going inside the Holocaust. So yeah, it has a parallax scrolling, so you can like see like the sign that means work will set you free. So then it has like just a brief overview on all the different subtopics that are within my website. And so if you click on each of these buttons, it takes you to something else. Like this takes you to a map of the concentration camps. And they all do something different. So then this one takes you to Eva Course Twitter. I thought that was modern because like people like would connect more and they're able to like understand what's going on more. And then this one takes you to a crash course video on YouTube about World War II. So like it really describes the political leaders, like not only the ones in Germany but all of them. It takes you to a Quizlet, and then there's just pictures, and this is a Prezi about the important people during the war. And so then the first like page that you're going to go to is concentration camps. This takes you to they're all interactive buttons, and this takes you to the Holocaust Museum in DC, and then here's another map. And then I had just like 3 simple things so you're not like overwhelmed with information, and it's like different like concentration camps and like just brief backgrounds. Then I added maps to where they all are. And so like I wanted this to be more simple, and like if you click on all these, it takes you to different places like that you can learn more about them. So and then the people one, I have like 3 different subtopics. And so this is people of the Holocaust, and it just gives like a brief survivors, victims, and political leaders. And so this is a really cool thing on the website of the museum in DC because it makes you like you pick a person and like takes you through their story, and then you find out what happened to them, which is something you actually do there. So it's like really interactive and really cool. And if you click on these different like titles right here, I have it so that it'll take you to the actual survivors page in my website. So like you don't have to click here again, you can just click. And so like I have a quote that starts it off, and like who like died and who survived. And then I have 3 different people that like survived the Holocaust, and like these 2 are more well known than this guy is, and I have different videos that go along with it. And then these take you to different websites, and then this is just a main video that like talks about the survivors getting together again. And then if you go, so they all have different things, like Anne Frank has the Anne Frank house, and a video of her being seen for the first time. It has biographies and another video. And then the last part of my page is the vocabulary part. And like this is like a Quizlet, and I just took a Quizlet like thing. I edited it and did what I wanted to do to it, and then you can like scroll through, and it's just like a big, really big overview of all the vocab like that you should know to like understand the Holocaust. So yeah, thanks for watching.